Hi everyone, this is me Samenzi. I'm here with a new video of jewelry. As you can see on your screens, this is a short tutorial video of beaded earrings. I made these earrings with oval shaped purple color stone and seed beads and bicons. I used two color bicons for this project, silver and pink bicon beads 4 mm, and I used silver seed beads 11, and it's very easy to make it, as you can see on screen. Very easy, and in a short time you can ready it. I will show you earrings and finger ring, and I hope you will like this pattern. You will make for yourself. Thanks.